24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Revision. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourselves to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. To learn any language, we learn the vocabulary. Learning the names of things is an important skill. At this level, we introduce different vocabulary with the help of phonics. Let's start the lesson. Objectives. Students should be able to know the names of different things in English language, understand the beginning sound of each word, identify the objects, pronounce the words correctly, write words in correct formation. Recall. Help the students to recall the names of different objects. Help them to understand that each object has a name. Use look and say the method to read the words. Write letters on the board one by one and ask the sound of each letter. Say, as we know, this is a capital letter A and this is a small letter A. The sound is A. Now, write the words on the board one by one. Apple and alligator, axe. Say A for apple, A for and, A for alligator, A for axe. Say each word at least 3 times and repeat it 2 times with the students. Do the same with all the letters from A to Z. Recognition. Write the names of objects randomly. Check that students recognize all the vocabulary correctly. Review. Learning spellings is an important part of the language. Help the students to learn how to spell a word. Write the words on the board with blanks such as A blank T, B blank L blank, etc. Ask the students to complete the words. Draw the picture of an ant or a ball to help them. Write small words on the board from each letter. For example, hen, glass, key, jug, etc. Engage the class in this activity. Writing. Draw 4 lines on the board and write the words on these lines. Motivate the students to write in their workbooks properly. Reinforcement worksheets can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.